Hey guys, in this video we're going to multiply some imaginary numbers. And one thing that we want to remember when we're multiplying imaginary numbers, and let's write it in brilliant remember me hot pink. If I have I times I, that's I squared, and that's going to be -1. That's a good important thing to remember. And if I had a negative I squared, that would end up being a +1. Those are two important things to remember. Let's take a look at this first problem, -2i times the quantity 5i minus 3. I'm going to take and I'm going to distribute, so we're going to start with -2i times 5i. That's -2 times 5. -2 times 5, that's -10. And then we're going to multiply that by I times I, which is a -1. So this gets me to -10 times -1, a +10. Then we're going to distribute again. I'm going to take -2i, multiply it by -3, and -2 times the -3 is a +6. So we have 10 plus 6, and hey, we can combine that and get 16. Great. On to the next problem. Our next problem is the quantity 3 plus 2i times the quantity 4 plus 3i. And we're going to expand this in the FOIL fashion like we would any product of binomials. That means starting off with 3 times 4, 12, and then we're going to multiply 3 times 3i, so that's plus 9i. We follow that with 2i times 4, so that's plus 8i. We can already see one thing that's going to combine. And then last, we're going to multiply 2i times 3i. So that's going to be 2 times 3 is 6, and then I squared is a -1, so that's minus 6. Now let's see here, 12 minus 6 is 6, and 9 plus 8 is 17. So just like when we were adding in the last video, we're going to have 6 plus 17i, and that's written in standard form. Standard form. That's our standard form right there. Some real part, and then some complex part. Standard form. Alright, I'll see you guys next video.